Hello guys, welcome to this new video on AI and machine learning. We are going to explore this very new model that has been just announced by OpenAI called as Sora. So if you can see the name here, it is they are creating now videos from text, and this was the next stage that we all had an idea that this was coming, right? From text, video creation was a challenge up till now, but Sora is out, and I have seen the outputs here on their website. So you can just check out openai.com/Sora, and you can check out the capabilities that this model is able to produce with the help of taking just text input as prompts and giving the output. So all videos generated on this page were generated by Sora directly without any modification. So let's check their website, what they claim. We are teaching AI to understand and simulate the physical world in motion with the goal of training models, blah, blah, blah. Introducing Sora, our text to video model. Sora can generate videos up till a minute long while maintaining visual quality and adherence to the user prompts. So this video that you see here is actually generated by Sora, and the prompt input here was that a stylish woman walks down the street of Tokyo filled with warm, glow neon animated city signage where she wears a black leather jacket, a long red dress, and black boots, and carries a black purse. She wears sunglasses and red lipstick. She walks confidently and casually. The street is damp and reflective, creating a mirror effect of the colorful lights. Many pedestrians walk about. So if you see the video, it is in HD. It looks very, very realistic. It doesn't even look like it's not made by AI. It looks actually a real video. And you see everything, every minute detail that was mentioned in the prompt is captured in the output. So that's pretty amazing actually. Like the capabilities I see here is not seen ever before in any other model, and this model actually looks very promising. So let's check out some other examples. So they have this example where there is several giant woolly mammoths approach treading through a snow meadow, and the long woolly fur lightly blows in the wind as they walk. And you see like every minute detail that was mentioned in the prompt is captured in the video, and the video quality is also like top notch. And like I'm very much amazed. Like this is the capability of AI in this new this is how the capabilities of AI has been evolving lately, and we are going to see much better results than this also in the upcoming time. So let's check out some other examples. So here there is a movie trailer featuring a adventure of a 30-year-old spaceman wearing a red full knitted motorcycle helmet, and you see just see the output, man. This is so great. I mean, just see it doesn't even look like it's created through AI. It is created by Sora, and man, this is just awesome. And I like only OpenAI had this kind of capability to come up with such a great model, text to video model. And they have still not cleared about the pricing and all, how you can use it on your machines right now. But I'm pretty sure that that would be open in the coming days. Let's check out other examples. This is something regarding a drone view of a Bixer uh, area, and this is how it looks. Some animated scenes generated from AI. Then this is a rendered paper craft coral reef, something like that. So this is a Victoria pigeon, and just see the quality of the video, man. The Victoria pigeon looks very, very like I have seen Victoria pigeon in real life, so I know that how they look, and the video that Sora was able to generate is also very, very accurate. It does not even look like it's generated. So many such examples are given here. The humans also which are generated in the video, they also look pretty real. So like I'm very excited to check this out, check this model in person after they make it open for the common public. Till now, it's not open, but let's see how it goes in the future. So this is the prompt of historical footage of California during the gold rush, and this is how old movie scenes also could be created. And if you think about the applications of this kind of model, is that you can actually create trailers, you can actually generate movie scenes, you can do a lot of things, right? This model has endless capabilities, endless applications. So that's what I wanted to show you in this video, that we have a text to video generation model out in the public, and still waiting to test it out in real life, like how we can do that. So you see this video, like archaeological discover a generic plastic chair in a desert, excavating and dusting it with great care. And does it even look like it's generated from AI? It looks actually very real, right? So that's it about this video. Looking forward how this model is made available to the public. We'll keep you informed. Till then, you can check out Sora on their website and see its capabilities. See you next time, guys. Bye bye.